National Covers is America's #1 choice for boat covers and bimini tops. For over 25 years, National Covers has offered superior products at competitive prices, all backed by outstanding customer service. SilverCloud boat covers are an extremely popular brand of entry-level semi-custom covers. They represent outstanding value and performance at an economical price point. SilverCloud covers are available in over 40 patterns to match various boat styles. They are made in 1-foot increments of length to ensure a snug and tight fit for your boat. SilverCloud T-top boat covers are manufactured with marine-grade fabric and are designed to withstand extreme weather conditions. SilverCloud covers come with a 3-year warranty and are handmade from 600D 6.9-ounce woven marine-grade fabric with UV coating and rot-proof double-stitch seams. SilverCloud covers come with reinforced nose cone and rear corners, providing extra strength and protection. SilverCloud boat covers feature a heavy-duty sewn-in shock cord in the hem. This will hold the cover in place and reduce billowing. SilverCloud boat covers include a free XT strap kit with 12 10-foot heavy-duty cover straps. Sewn-in strap loops at 2-foot intervals provide a variety of options for strapping down the cover. Heavy-duty zipper on port side allows easy access to cockpit without having to remove the cover. SilverCloud T-top boat covers are an excellent value, full-featured cover made with high-quality marine-grade fabric and designed to provide years of quality protection. National Covers, America's trusted cover source for over 25 years.